They say that the average male thinks about sex every 6 seconds. Sex. But I think about it all the time. Sex. I can't stop. Can I share something with you? I've lost my mind. As I've lost my mind, I have become one with reality and one with unreality. So I can do absolutely anything. And you know what? Because I can get away with it. Because I am all up here. You have to take the power of your mind, the power of your brain, the power of what you can do, and throw it away. You might be saying, does that make sense? No, it doesn't make sense. But that's what makes it real. Nothing makes sense. This doesn't make sense. You don't make sense. I don't make sense. It's fantastic. I can do absolutely anything that I want to. Because I can do anything I want. If I wanted to, I can do coke whenever I want. I get away with it. I can have sex whenever I want. Just like that.
I just want a quickie. No bite marks, no scratches, and no hickeys. If you can get with that, mommy, come get with me. I don't wanna be loved. I don't wanna be loved. I just want a quick.
And the best thing, I can kill somebody. I can kill whoever I want to. Dude, you want to come over real quick?
Yeah, sure. I'm actually like 2 minutes away from the house.
2 minutes is 2 minutes. 120 seconds. But I can make time go by like that. Because I can control time. Everything. I control the light, the moon, I control the sun, I control 20 seconds? Something like that. Hold on. Yeah, you take off your shoes, thank you.
So what's been up with you lately?
Nothing much, dude. Nothing much.
So like,
I can do absolutely anything. You think I was always like this? Look to the person next to you. Now look to the person to the other side of you. You're one with them. Okay? You are one with everything around you. Once you realize that you are one with everything, then your feet just like me. The only thing that I have not done yet, and if I can do absolutely everything, why can't I kill myself? Let's try a knife. I can't even feel that. The last thing I'm going to say to you, don't forget the lyrics. Because the sound of love is elevator music.